she messaged me, I would like to scratch that back.
So my segment is called as DMs. Okay, so I'd be asking you questions around the DMs you get, and you have to be as honest as you can be. Okay, so my first question is, what's the most weirdest DM that you have ever received?
Apart from dick pics?
That is very normal, by the way.
Yeah.
Like, hey, gorgeous or whatever.
Yeah.
Sometimes they just be like, hi, and then they turn on the vanish mode and they're like, you know what I mean. And
I get really creepy DMs from 30-year-old uncles. Oh, one was, hi baby girl, I would love to sponsor you completely.
That is crazily creepy.
And I was 16 at that time.
I'm so sorry that you had to go through this.
I got a nude as a DM.
Young girl, she was I guess 14 or 13. She messaged me, I would like to scratch that back.
लड़कियां भी ऐसी ही है.
यानी कि आग दोनों तरफ बराबर लगी है.
Okay, a DM that you have sent and immediately regretted.
So I sent a DM to Tanmay Bhatt asking him to make a birthday wish for my boyfriend.
let's get back together.
I deal with a lot of influencers when I'm talking, so very professional. But yeah, if I get mad at them, I'm like, no girl, like you are not that worth it, honestly. And then I unsend it, and then I'm like, no, I shouldn't have done that. Drunk text as well. I guess.
इसको भेजे है drunk text.
Exes?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, if you could reply to your spam or scam messages with one savage comeback, what would it be?
शक्ल देखी अपनी.
I would say you can try.
Scam होने के लिए पैसे नहीं है मेरे पास.
I think the most savage would be not replying them.
I don't text back.
Just don't want to reply. I don't want to engage with.
Perfect. No reply is the biggest reply. Okay, tell me the last emoji that you have sent without any context.
I sent that kissing emoji or like a cute kissing wala emoji. Yeah.
It must be the girls dancing emoji.
For me, it's the crying emoji. Boys would relate to it.
Heart, like love emojis.
The safety hazard sign.
The nail one, the painting one. I just send that. I'm like, yeah, I think conversation is over now.
Okay. Ever sent a risky text, then put your phone on airplane mode and just slept off?
My life is not that exciting for any of this.
No, I'm pretty ballsy. I like sending risky texts.
Yes, I've done that. Yeah, a lot of times. Not even flight mode. I put it on flight mode. I go to sleep and I'm like, everything kal subah.
I think probably when you got to make a confession that you like somebody and then you just be like, oh, maybe it's just too late.
And my last question, if the person who sends you the most amount of meme had to give a TED talk, what would the topic be?
The topic would be brain rot.
How to be successful in life.
It would be about food and shitty comedians.
He can give a TED talk on how I ignore him every single day and it still works out.
How to be productive at work.
Mine would be men.
Men.
How they sound.
Clearly people do get some crazy wild DMs. If you like the video, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.